In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your sound or audio is not working in Counter-Strike 2. So the first thing you want to do is select the settings cogwheel in the top left corner, and then you want to select audio at the top. Now for the master volume, you want to ensure that this is turned up, and if you have a volume dial on your headset mic, ensure that's turned up as well. Now under audio device, I do recommend that you select the specific device you're using. For example, if you're using headphones, select headphones, because that could be the reason why you're not hearing anything. Now, once you've done that, under EQ profile, this is just going to be personal preference. So if you want to have a read through and select the one you'd like, go ahead. And under left-right isolation, you want to make sure that this is turned down. And these two options are going to be personal preference, as well as if you scroll down on this page, the music volume for the main volume, round start, etc. These are all going to be personal preference. Now, if your sound or audio is still not working in game, the next thing you want to do is right click on the sound icon in the bottom right corner on your desktop and select Open Volume Mixer. From here, you want to ensure that the system volume is turned up, and you want to have a look under Output Device and ensure this is on the same one as in game. In addition to that, under Applications, you want to ensure Counter-Strike 2 volume is turned up, and if it's still not working, you could try resetting your audio settings in the bottom right corner here, or it could be a hardware issue, in which case you'd have to swap out your audio output device, such as your headset. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.